Welcome back to Fella's Farm Homestead. Today we are going to can some beets. First I scrub the beets down to get a lot of the surface dirt off. After you're done scrubbing your red beets, you want to put them in a pot and cover them with water and cook them for about 25 to 30 minutes until tender. After they are done cooking, I like to put them in an ice bath and let them cool down, and then I cut the tops and the bottoms off and the skin. I cut the top off, then I cut the bottom off, cut them in half, and start taking the skin off. You want to cut your beets in half and then put them in your jar. Once you're done filling your jars with red beets, you want to make a brine. I use the Ball Canning Book for my brine. It is 2.5 cups, 5% distilled vinegar, 1 1/4 cups water, 1 1/4 cups sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. You want to mix the top. You want to ladle in your mixture. Make sure your sugar is all dissolved. You can put it on the stove to dissolve it. You want to make sure your liquid is 1/2 inch from the top. Wipe the top of your jar off, put your lid on, and then you want to screw your band on. This is my canner I use. This is the canner I use. It says to cook it for 30 minutes at boiling, and then I shut my heat off and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I take my jars out. Here are our jars out of the canner. You let them sit overnight for about 12 hours. And then let them sit for a few weeks, and then you can enjoy them. Thank you for watching.